Yo guys, what's up? I am back again with a new video. So today we are going to play again Minecraft and again we are going to do a survival challenge. And today I have built an house also only in a survival. Then we have I was mining over, then I got some iron and all and sticks. So now I have a lot of things. So as you can see, I have a lot of shield. I'll show you. Yeah, wait. Yes, yes, guys. See, you can see that I am wear my all of my garments and all. So today, let's begin our videos. Let's begin our video about surviving this in my new world. So let me go to the first person perspective. Okay, I'll show you once my home which I made afterwards. Yeah, I'll show now only better. Yes guys, this is my home which I made now. Yeah. So now we are going to survive around and I'll show I have made an underground there. Underground something I have made in underground. I have kept a lot of chests and all. Chests, crafting table and all. I'll take you down first. Oh shit. See, this is one crafting table and these are all the chests, a lot of chests. In this chest you can see a lot of things which I made already. Yes guys, now let's go on top back. What is happening? Okay. Yes guys, now let's go outside. I'll show where did I mine today. I just the limit of 15 minutes, for that I can't show you. See, here I was mining a lot, then I got these many stuff, rocks, thousands of rocks. Then I came out anyhow. Now I will have to go somewhere. I don't know where will I go, but I'll go somewhere. And guys, please subscribe my channel. We are close to 60 subscribers. Now we have just 55 or 56. We are close to 60 subscribers, guys. Please subscribe me. Where is the sheep? Kill the sheep. Yeah, kill the sheep. No problem. I don't wanna kill the sheep. I'm not a cruel guy. Yeah, now I will kill because I want to. Where's my home? I'll go to my home first. It's gonna be night now. What? I got a night better. What? That. I don't know what was that. I'm going to sleep now because it's almost night. Yes guys, now I'm sleeping in Minecraft, not in real life. Then now I'll go. And now if I forget my way, I will have to stay here only, right? Like, instead of surviving, I can stay here only. I can kill these animals better. Can I shut up? Okay, this. Now you die. 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 Any one of you just die. Die. Okay, now what should we do? Let's try this. Oh, I killed the pig. Wow. Shit. Oh no. Shit. My health is gone. Now I will have to go in my... Now what should I do? Okay, now I need food. Okay, I got. Now I need meat to eat food then. Okay, I'm eating. Done. Okay. I got even this. What? Hi, chicken. You're also dead. Sorry. I'm killing all the animals and getting XP. I need a lot of XPs. Where are you running, piggy? Where are you running? From me. You can't run. You. Yeah. I got 1 XP. 1 complete XP. Now where should I go? No. I can't find. Okay, I found an animal now. I found the piggy. Again and again piggy. I don't know why again and again piggy, because I'm finding a lot of piggies for that. Man, die. Yay, I got XP. Okay, should I eat now? Okay. Yes. I'll kill chicken now. Again. I need XP, a lot of XPs. What should I put my title as of this video? Killing animals? Yeah, better. Killing animals. Get out. Die. You will have to die today, piggy. Yes, you died. Now I have 2 XP. Hey, you chicken, just wait and watch now. What is going to happen with you? Yup. Yes. Now you're dead again, Chicky. Oh. That's nice. Okay, I got this. Cow, I'll kill you, cow. Die. Where are you? Where are you, man? Cow. Okay, you're here. Okay. Die. Yes, thank God you died now. Now what should I do? You also die. Where are you? Yeah, I got XP. Now more XP. Okay, one more cow. Die, die, die. Die, man. Die. When will you die? Die now. Now where did you go? Oh my God. Now where have you ran now? Okay. Now I will have to find my home now. What? Where is my home? Behind of this animal where I forgot my home? Where is it? Oh no, I made it. It was too hard to make that house. I can't lose that house easy. Okay, I found it. Thank God. I didn't lose it. Come here. You are dying. Arey, why are you running so fast? Okay, now you're dead now. Thank you for the XP. I have 3 XP now. Now you wait, Piggy now. Why? I'm not harming you. I won't. See, I am harming you now. Now if you want, you can run. Yep. Okay, finished. Now what should I... Okay. Enough for this much. Yes guys, today we have got 3 XPs and it's enough, and now I don't know what should I do. Just joking, I know. End the video of course, because my time limit is still 15 minutes and it's almost 12 minutes. And that's all for today guys, and make sure to subscribe this video, hit the like, smash the like button guys, and subscribe to this channel and join my Discord server. If you want to chat with me, I will send you the Discord server. You can join my Discord server. Yes guys. Bye guys.